Have you ever felt stuck in the same cycle of unfulfilling relationships? Do you find yourself wondering why you keep attracting the same types of partners, even when you know you deserve better? If you're ready to break free and invite a deeper, more fulfilling love into your life, then you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll explore actionable steps you can take to completely transform what you attract in just 28 days. So grab a pen and paper because this journey is about to get exciting. Before we dive deeper, let's talk about attraction. Attraction is much more than just physical chemistry. It's a complex blend of emotional and spiritual connections. You see, often we find ourselves attracting what we are. Our beliefs and behavior patterns shape our experiences in love. Take a moment to consider these questions. Reflecting on your beliefs is crucial because it lays the groundwork for everything that comes next. Are you ready to challenge these beliefs? Step 1. Self-reflection and awareness. Start by identifying any recurring patterns in your past relationships. Grab your journal and create 2 columns. In the first column, list the traits of your past partners. In the second column, jot down the qualities you desire in a new relationship. This conscious exercise helps you crystallize your intentions, creating a clear target for what you wish to manifest. This seems simple, but the insights you gain will be powerful. When we recognize what hasn't worked, we can become much clearer about our desires moving forward. Step 2. Cultivating self-love. Before you can attract the love you desire, it's vital to foster love within yourself. This means you need to treat yourself like the treasure you are. Utilize affirmations such as "I am lovable" and "I am deserving of love." Make these affirmations a part of your daily routine. By nurturing self-love, you create a magnetic energy that draws others to you. Develop daily self-care rituals, whether it's through meditation, yoga, or indulging in your favorite hobbies. These practices nourish both your body and soul. The more you invest in yourself, the more you will shine, making you irresistible to love. Remember, self-love is not selfish. It's an essential foundation for a healthy relationship. Step 3. Defining your ideal partner. Let's create a vision of who you want by your side. Take some quiet time and imagine your ideal partner and the relationship you desire. Once you have a clear picture in your mind, build a vision board filled with images, words, and quotes that embody your ideal relationship and partner traits. Place this board somewhere you'll see it regularly to keep your goals in focus. This process not only solidifies your desires, but also serves as a daily reminder of what you're calling into your life. Make it colorful, make it personal, a reflection of your heart's true desires. Step 4. Letting go of limiting beliefs. Now let's tackle those pesky, self-imposed beliefs that may be hindering your ability to attract love. Ask yourself, are there thoughts like, "I always choose the wrong partner," or "I don't deserve happiness"? Recognizing these thoughts is the first step. Write them down. Then next to them, replace those negative beliefs with powerful affirmations like, "I attract healthy and loving relationships," or "Love follows me everywhere." Reframe negative thoughts. Keep a dedicated space in your journal for this. Regularly reading and repeating these affirmations will help reshape your perspective, allowing for new, positive beliefs to take root in your life. Step 5. Taking inspired action. Manifesting new love requires action. Step outside your comfort zone and engage in new activities. Join clubs, take classes, or participate in community events where you can meet potential partners. As you do this, remind yourself, "I emit the frequency of love." By embracing new opportunities, you expand your social circle and enhance your chances of finding someone special. Step 6. Practicing gratitude. Gratitude is incredibly powerful. Creating a positive emotional state attracts more positive experiences into your life. Create a daily gratitude practice where you acknowledge the love that already surrounds you, whether it's from friends, family, or even yourself. Incorporate affirmations like, "I am grateful for the love in my life, and I welcome even more." This mindset shift will make you even more attractive to potential partners. Step 7. Visualizing your new love. Take a few minutes each day to visualize your ideal relationship. Picture the joy, connection, and laughter you would share with your partner. The more vivid and emotional this visualization is, the stronger the energetic pull you create for love. During these sessions, incorporate your affirmations, repeating phrases such as, "I attract love wherever I go and in whatever I do." Step 8. Setting intentions. Now it's time to declare what you wish to attract. Write down your intentions and read them aloud. Let these affirmations resonate deep within you. Say, "I am ready to welcome love into my life." This act of declaration reinforces your commitment not just to attracting love, but to nurturing a relationship built on mutual respect, support, and joy. Step 9. Trusting the process. As you follow these steps, it's vital to release any tight grip on the outcome. Affirm to yourself, "I trust the timing of my life." Practice patience and remain open. Amazing love often manifests in unexpected ways and at the right time for you. Step 10. Creating a lasting connection. Once you've attracted love, focus on personal growth and nurturing your relationship. Continue to maintain affirmations such as, "I foster a loving, supportive relationship," and "I emit the frequency of love." These reminders will help you and your partner cherish the journey you're on together. The journey to attracting new love is one of profound self-discovery and empowerment. By shifting your mindset, nurturing self-love, and taking inspired action, you can invite a partner into your life who embodies the qualities you truly desire, all within just 28 days. Embrace this journey, affirm your worthiness, trust the process, and open the door to the kind of love that aligns with your highest self. You are lovable, you are deserving of love, and remember, love follows you everywhere you go. Thank you for joining me today. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more transformative content. Together, let's start attracting the love you truly deserve. Until next time, take care and keep shining your light into the world.